Which is stronger? 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 When we take the word just and eliminate it from our language, everything changes. We sound stronger, we come across more confident, and we actually feel more confident. We own what we're trying to say. Most of the time, you can just remove, notice what I did there? You can remove just from your language, and it is a complete sentence. It is strong, and it is an affirmative way to communicate. I learned this from Jefferson Fisher. He wrote an incredible book called Your Next Conversation. I highly recommend it. He has a great podcast where he talks about all the different ways that language matters. This week, I want you to work at eliminating just from your language and notice, because you can simply say thank you to someone. We don't need to say, I just wanted to say thank you. It changes everything, but it is challenging. So this week, pay attention to your language, explore removing just. Please let me know how it goes and share this, because this is a very powerful way to become more clear, more confident, and more direct in your conversation. I'm Krista Oakes. This is your Mindful Monday, and I don't just hope you use this week. I hope you practice this week. Namaste.